Yeah, so percent of total, that means whatever total will come, percent of that total is called percent of total. Suppose we have product A, B, C, D. Okay, now product A has a price, product B has a price, product C has a price, but we want to calculate product D. Okay, so what would be the price of product D? And we are applying the pricing method as percent of total. So how it will calculate? It will add, it will sum the total of the three products, product A, B, and C. And whatever percentage we will apply, suppose 5%. So it will apply 5% of total of these three products. Understood? For example, let's say we have gone to KFC and we offer, means we ordered some means some bucket and chicken lollipop and let's say some burger, and we are means ordering some soft drink. But now that soft drink, okay, how that will be calculated? If we are applying percent of total on the soft, let's say 5% of total, we are applying on the soft drink. How it will calculate? So it will add the total of these other three products, means that bucket, chicken lollipop, and our burger. Total it will add sum, then 5% of total sum. It will apply, and that will be the price of this soft drink. So understood? That is the way we should calculate percent of total. Okay. And as I said, always I am saying we have two types of products: subscription product, non-subscription product. You always remember percent of total is always applicable for non-subscription product. It's like, so you are ordering this burger, this bucket and chicken, whatever. Okay, so you are ordering these kind of things. These are all non-subscription product. So percent of total you are applying on this product. It's not like you will be applying the percent of total on the GST and tips you are giving to that waiter or those are all kind of subscription products. So you won't apply on that. So basically, whatever means non-subscription product or asset type of thing, we will apply the percent of total on that kind of products. Okay, but even we can apply on the non-subscription product, but there is some means rule we need to apply. But basically, or in general, percent of total will always applicable for non-subscription product. Okay, we should remember that. Okay, so now let me just show one product. Okay, as of now, this is clear, right? Whatever I explained, what is percent of total? Yeah. So now you can see. Okay, so as like we have applied block pricing and we are changing the pricing method to block. So similarly, if we'll apply percent of total, then we will apply the pricing method to percent of total. Okay, so if we'll apply uh, block pricing, then we will be applying the pricing method to block. But whenever we'll apply percent of total, we'll be applying, we'll be changing this to percent of total. Okay, this pricing method. Now you will see this is one field, percent of total, percentage. So I told, right, 5% of total. Okay, so 5% of total. So that 5% you will define here. So whatever number you will put here, that percentage will be applied on the total, whatever total will come. Now percent of total base. This is also one of the percent of total field. Okay, this is one field which you need to change. This is one field which you need to apply. This is also one field which you need to apply. So percent of total base. So it's like this is also a pick list and we have list, regular, customer and net. Okay, so if we'll apply list, so what it will do, it will this percent of total means that total, whatever total will be added, that will be on the list price. Okay, if you'll apply regular, then it will be on the regular price. That means here I will show you. So whatever automated discounts will be applying, so there only you will see the regular means it will be applied. Customer means manual discount, net means partner and distributor discount. I will tell you where exactly. So let me just close this one. open a code. So let me go to one code. Okay, edit line. Now let me just run this. Now you can see. So this regular unit price. So it's like percent of total will, if you will select this percent of total base as list. Okay, let me just show percent of total as list. So it will add the total list unit price, whatever. Okay, for this product, and it will apply the percent of total on the list price. You can see the list unit price field. Okay, then then if you'll apply, if you'll change it to regular, then it will apply on the regular price. If customer price, and if net means it will apply on the net total, the net total. Okay, so like that it will be applied. So let me so this is how this percent of total base you can check. So it's like requirement will say you apply the percent of 5% of percent of total on product, uh, on product, what is the product, on product CPU 1.1 gigahertz. Okay, 5% of total on CPU 1 gigahertz on list unit price. So what it will do, suppose in our code, this is all our product. Let me uh, uh, we have this product, these many products. So you are applying list percent of total on CPU 1.1 gigahertz, and it will add this accident CPU this 2.5 and LD variant. So what it will do, it will go to, it will calculate the total of list unit price 65 plus 300 plus 225 plus whatever this one total it will come, and 5% of that total will be applied here. Okay, and the value become this. Okay, so like that will be applied. Okay, this is the percent of total. Now percent of total category. Okay, this is something like, okay, suppose you are applying this percent of total on the hardware type of product. So whenever in your code line hardware product type of means hardware type of products will be added, then that means list price will be added, and percentage will be calculated, and it will be applied here. Other product, let's say CPU is not hardware type, it is a software type, it will be ignored, it won't be calculated, only hardware type of product will be calculated. So this is what the category. Okay, now percent of total constraint, this field. Okay, so it's like list price is minimum, list price is maximum. Here you are applying list. Okay, so what it will do, it will calculate based on the minimum list price. Okay, and it will apply on the maximum list price. So here it will check for the minimum list price. Okay, that it will take and it will apply, and it will means apply the percentage here like that. So basically we will be using it as none, but if requirement says, then you can change it accordingly. And total target is not in use basically, because this is means it's like product field, right? If you click here, you will see all the product whatever is listed. So if you'll apply means if you'll change means select any product, that product price will be calculated as the total term. Okay, so basically we won't be using, just imagine the example like KFC I told. So we are ordering 4 products, so 3 products total will be calculated, and percentage will be calculated, and it will be applied on the 4th product. Okay, so basically like that. Now most important, these two fields, one is include in percent of total, one is exclude from percent of total. Okay, so include in percent of total, so it's like, as I told, percent of total is always applicable for non-subscription product. So even if you are means not checking anything, it will be applied for the non-subscription product. Okay, so if you are applying a percent of total for subscription product, then you have to apply this checkbox. Okay, and if you are applying, see, check to always exclude the product from the percent of total calculation. Normally non-subscription products are included in the, so I told always percent of total will be applied for non-subscription product. So non-subscription product you want to exclude here, so you can apply for non-subscription product. If you want to apply subscription product, include the subscription product, like that you can do. Okay, so these are all field which is used for percent of total calculation. Now let me just go to that example and see how we can apply. So what it is saying, just go to the product and shipping insurance. So block pricing also on the product level and percent of total is also on the product level. So we should remember this. So we should go to the product, okay, and select the product whatever is the requirement. Here shipping insurance. Let me check if it is there or not. Shipping. Okay, shipping insurance is not there. Fine. Now let me select any of the product. Let's see. Let me not apply on the. I just wanted to apply it on the standalone product, individual product. Okay, that's why I'm selecting router. Let's see. Okay, okay. On the router, let's say apply the percent of total. Okay. Now, what it is saying? So, suppose this is a router. Click on edit and pricing method. We should select percent of total. I told pricing method we should change it to percent of total. So edit. Let's select the pricing method as percent of total. Okay. First thing we should change the pricing method of the product. Okay. Now next is for the percent of total percentage field enter 10. Okay, so that means percent of total percentage. Okay, here what percentage you want to apply? So 10 percentage of the total. So 10. Now for the percent of total base field, choose net. So this base field we will apply on the net price. Okay, net. Click save. Okay, now save. Okay, okay. Now this is what we have done. Now we need to test it. How we will test? So now test it by adding that product in the code. Okay, so let me just go to the code. We applied it on the router. So I will select, let's say, select one code, edit line. Okay, add product. Now I will select the router. Okay, okay. Now I will select router. Now percent of total, as I said, we are having 4 products. 3 products we are totaling and applying that percentage, and we are calculating the 4th product price. Now we are having just one product here. Okay, let just see. Click edit lines, click save. Okay, click add products. Now check the box next to the farewell router shipping insurance. So that means we should add some products, so that from those products it will add the total and it will apply that percentage. So we should have some other products. So I will apply. I'll select these 3. Okay, now select. Okay, now let's just see. Okay, so what is it coming? Oh, router. Let me just check. Router. Router product. Facebook price is 100. Okay, active. Component checkbox is not checked. Fine. Okay, pricing method is percent of total. Okay, fine. Now Why it is coming as $0? Shit. Me error. This is not subscription product. Fine. Okay, let me just. I will check that later, and I will tell you what's the error. Let me just go to one more row.
Asit, tell me one thing, like when you go for an interview, they really ask your trailhead badges and points.
No, no, no.
Do
Never.
they?
Nobody has asked me this question as of now.
Nobody considers, right? It's not like,
But people used to means just show it in their resume.
oh, okay.
Uh,
But if we have certification, then that should matter more, right? Other than the trailhead one.
Certification is most important. That is your first level screening only. It is required. Certification is must.
Mhm.
15
People show the trailhead points also in resume.
resume.
Okay.
Like insurance, 15% of total category. No, this is not required. So it's like, okay, what's the error? I was thinking. Why this? I have done many things, means many modifications in my org. Now troubleshooting those things it will be means it's fine. Okay, now just I'm showing it because 7 minutes it will be over. So see, he has added this product. What is that product? Shipping insurance. Okay, along with shipping insurance, this shipping insurance, he has added router and firewall. Okay, this farewell router. Okay, shipping insurance. Now on the shipping insurance we have applied the block pricing, sorry, the percent of total with 5%. Okay, with how sorry, 10%, right? 10%. Okay, so now after adding on the quote, how it will calculate the price for the shipping insurance. So firewall price you can see, right? 2400. Okay, and router price you can see 100. So total is 2500. 10% of 2500 is 250. You can see net total is coming as 250. Okay, so this is the way it will be applied on the product percent of total. So you can see this 250 is coming. Okay, so this is how we can do. Can I stop sharing? Srinivas, can you just apply it on one product in your phrase or it will work? You share your screen and add. Yeah, because in my org actually I have done many things, many changes. So it is not working. I have applied many rules. Hmm. Shipping insurance is there. Just open Trailet. Let's not go with shipping insurance. We'll select the Trailet product. Open Trailet. TRAIL enter. Enter. It will come. The first. I have never shown my trailhead points in my resume.